Today we want to derive our derived quantity. Here we are supposed to know how to get our derived quantity, the unit, without cramming it, just by understanding it, and it is very, very simple. I assure you that. Okay, so let's start with our area. Our area is length times length, or length times breadth. Length times breadth. That's our area. And we know that this breadth also means length. It's not the short of a breadth. I've explained it before in my video that breadth is also a length. Why length is longer? If this one is length, then this side will be breadth. Have you seen it? So two of them are just length. The other one is shorter length. So, and in our unit, anything length is measured in m. It's measured in m. So therefore here will be m times m. You know that m means meter in our fundamental unit. Meter times meter, that will give us meter square. So here we just write meter square. So simple, is it not? Very good. Okay, how about our volume? Our volume is length times breadth times height. Our volume is length times breadth times height. And as I told you, that is the same thing with other lengths. That if this side is breadth and this one is length, then this side, how tall it is, will tell you of height. Have you seen it? So now length, breadth, height is also length. It's just what aspect or which aspect of length you are talking of. So in that case, that means our volume will be m times m times m, which is equals to m cube 3m. Have you seen it? So because of that, our volume will be what? M cube. I hope you understand it. Another one is density. Density. So density is simply density is mass over volume. Have you seen it? It's mass over volume. So it's mass over volume. So what is it telling us? We know from our fundamental units, which we have done, that mass is measured in kg. Have you seen it? And volume, we have gotten our volume already. Are you seeing our volume? M cube or cubic meter. Cubic meter. Or meter cube. Anyone is M3. So just go to the formula. This mass, you write it here. That is km over. Have you seen it? Then put our meter cube. Have you seen it? So all of them is equals to kg. This your all over this hour of our division. We now slant it like this. So write m3. Have you seen it? It's the same thing. Very simple. I hope it is. It is. So this is our kg and 3. Very, very simple. We'll come to our velocity. Hope you are seeing it. Velocity. And what is velocity? Velocity is displacement over time. It's the same thing as our speed. So as we're talking about velocity, it had the same unit as speed. The difference in definition is just direction. Velocity has direction. Velocity is distance with direction, while speed is just distance. But they have the same, so we can write speed here too. They have the same units. Do you understand? This one is distance, this one is distance. But this distance is without direction, while this distance is with direction. That is just the difference. Understand? So any one of them that we write, if you're writing for velocity, it will be this displacement, which is also distance with direction, displacement over time. Have you seen it? They have the same units. And since we said that displacement is also distance, that means and we say that distance is measured in length. Distance is measured in length. Distance is measured in length. Understand? So in that case, our distance is m, which is measured in length, over our time. Our time is seconds. Have you seen it? That distance over time. Displacement over time. Distance over time is the same thing. Have you seen it? So that is the unit. The difference is just you just put it in another form. It's not, there's no difference. You just put this in another form. Have you seen it? So that is m. Yes. I hope you understand it. Very simple. Or you see, or you write it as m s meter per second. We call it meter per second. Meter per second. Why is it like this? Because according to our law of indices, according to mathematical rule, m over s is the same as m times 1 over s. Have you seen it? Because m times 1 is m, then it will come up, while s remains like this. And 1 over s is the same thing as s minus 1. This is according to our law of indices. If you are not familiar with law of indices, don't worry, we'll do it. But just know that whenever you see 1 over s, it's the same thing as s minus any number. Any number. If I write 2 raised to power minus 1. If I write 2 raised to power minus 1, it simply means 1 over 2. Understand? Any number, any letter written like this is this. Have you seen it? So that is what is applicable here. Understand? M times 1 over 2 is the same thing as m s. Have you seen it? Do you understand it now? Very good. So that is why we can put it like this or like that. They are the same thing. Do you understand? Very good. Now we come to, this is our acceleration. That is it there. Then our hyphen to complete the meaning. Acceleration. Understand? So what the meaning? Acceleration is just velocity over time. Change, not just velocity, but change in velocity over time. Yes, it change in science. This thing delta means change. Change in velocity over time. Have you seen it? Yes, that's when we acknowledge final velocity and initial velocity over time. Understand? It's just the same thing. What we'll do now is, you know a formula for velocity. Yes, we have found it here. Remember we said that velocity and speed have the same formula. Have you seen it? That is the formula for velocity. Have you seen it? So you just repeat the formula for velocity. So our acceleration will be equals to the formula for velocity, which is equals to, we said that you change the velocity over time, is equals to, the formula for velocity is m meter per second. Have you seen it? Meter per second. Then we say now over time, and time is measured in second, also put second. Understand? So how do you derive it now? If m over s is acceleration, m over s is acceleration, then they now say they now brought s, which is over time. This and this is the same thing. Understand? Yes, you see, m over s is this m over s, and this s is s. So what do we do? Simple arithmetic. According to our mathematical rule again that said, if you are given 2 over 4 divided by 8. That it is the same as 2/4 times 1/8. You take the reciprocal. This division will change to times and it becomes 1/8. It becomes a reciprocal of this. Do you understand? Let me come again. Mathematical rules say that when you have something like this, for you to solve it, you change the division to times. Because you are changing it to times, you interchange this number. Any number that is there, you reciprocate it. Whatever thing that is up will go down, and whatever thing down that will go up. Understand? That is the rule. Understand? So that now when you times 2 times 1 is 2, 4 times 8 is 32. Then now you can further ahead and simplify. But that is the rule. Understand? This rule is what we apply here. Mathematical rules are necessary for you to understand your sciences. So I encourage you to follow our mathematics lesson. Follow it judiciously. You will never regret it. You'll be perfect with time. Understand? Okay, now our m/s/s, just as we did here, what are you going to do? That means m/s divided by s. Have you seen it? That's what it means. m/s divided by s. Very good. Okay, if you are confused, same. If your mind is telling you, what if you write m divided by s/s? I understand your confusion. If you are confused that way, no problem. Let me explain. You cannot separate this from this because it will alter the meaning of what we are looking for. We say that acceleration is m/s. So this m/s are already together. You cannot come and disintegrate it or separate it. Have you seen it? So if you leave it together as it is, the only thing that is coming to them is over this s. So this s must be alone. That is why we wrote it like this. This m/s has always been when they come inside here. So you cannot change it. Have you seen it? This one that come to them, this one that come to them should be like this. Have you seen it? So now that is why we leave it like this and we are going to solve it like this. You cannot just divide it from here. No, dividing it from there means that you are separating the meaning of velocity. We know that velocity is not just m. So when we do that means we are saying m over, and which is wrong. Understand? So we leave it as it is. So having said that, we now say m/s times. I told you we bring in our times. Immediately we bring in our times, what will happen? We will take the reciprocal of this. That means whatever thing under will come up. One is under, the only thing that we did not write it. One will come up while this s will not go down. Have you seen it? And having done that, we can now say m times 1 is m. S times s is s squared. Have you seen it? This is how we get it. So now we can now write it as m per s squared. So that's why you can call acceleration is meter per second squared. Have you seen how we get it? Meter per second squared. I hope you understand it. Very good. So in that case, our unit for this one is meter per second squared. You know that it's also the same thing as meter per second squared. I have explained why they are the same. Understand? This per means division. Understand? It's the reciprocal. Okay. Let me still do it again so they'll be entering your memory. Okay. If we say m over s 2, it is not m over s squared. Have you seen it? And it's also the same thing as m times 1 over s squared. Have you seen it? So this m can be on its own. Why this 1 over s squared? You know what I told you about when there's 1 over any number? It's the same thing as when you write your s. Have you seen it? It's the same thing. This over 1 over is just this. Then this thing goes together. It is a law or rule, a law of indices. Our law of indices, we still do it, we still know more of it. If you are not familiar with it, just know that it's a rule in mathematics. So that is why it affected this. So what do you do with this force? The definition of force is what will come in here. And force is always equals to mass times acceleration. Force is mass times acceleration. That's what force is. So now let's bring out the units. You know that F is equals to m times a. Have you seen it? So now our m is measured in what? Remember, it's measured in kilogram. If you have forgotten, please go back to our fundamental unit. You see that m is kilogram. Have you seen it? Times. Then our a is what? Our acceleration. And that's what we just finished. Are you seeing our acceleration? Are you seeing it? So just pick up our acceleration and write your ms. That is force for you. Mass times acceleration. So simple. You have gotten our acceleration, you know how to get it. Then you times it. That is how to derive it. So simple. So it's better to know how to derive it than to cram it. Because in cramming, you are bound to make mistake. But when you know how to derive it, no matter how the question comes, you see that you always get it. Understand? And it's very simple, is it not? I know it is. Okay? Now we'll come to energy. So what is energy? Energy is the same thing as work. So when we are talking of energy, we are also talking of work. Have you seen it? They have the same definition and the same minutes. So what is energy or work? Energy or work simply means force times distance. Force times distance. Okay, I forgot to put something for you people in force. Another name for force. The name of units for force. Force, the one we have written here, is also called N. That is Newton. Newton is force. We also call it Newton. Capital N. Have you seen it? So whenever you see N, that's it talking about this. The only thing that when they want to ask you, most of the time, they require you to know this one. Understand? So know two of them. Newton is also for force, while this one is also for force. So work, whenever you see work or energy, it's the same thing. If it's work or energy, we are saying the same thing. Okay, we said that it's force times distance. So what do? We just bring our units for work. Are you seeing the units for work? Yes. Our unit for work, which is K, kilogram, meter per second. Are you seeing it? Then we times it with our meter. Remember that distance is measured in meter. I hope you have not forgotten. So when we times it, are you seeing that our m is 9 into 2? Yes. When this times this, you see that we are going to get kg m squared times x. I think this m will turn that to become 2m. That's m squared. So that is why the formula for that will be m squared a squared. Very simple. Very simple. Or you now look at it and said this times this. This one already is force and it's called Newton. So you write Newton. Obviously you write Newton N. And this one is M, then you write M. Newton meter. Newton meter. Do you understand? Very simple. Understand? So anyway we want it, they put it, you can do it. If they say first, just bring this first. That is the force. Then they say we'll times it with M. This one now means N. Is it not? It means M. Why this one is M? That is Newton meter. Or you write it together for them because examiners can be wonderful. Which is you just write your kg. Then M times M is what? Is it not M squared? Times you put back your. Don't listen it. That's the same thing. Do you understand this? It's very simple. Okay, now we'll come to pressure. So what is our pressure? We have that pressure is force over area. What is pressure? Pressure is force over area. And already we have found our force. Remember our force? Yeah. So we pick our force. Our force is this. And what is our area? Our area is not m square. Is it not? Very good. So you can say our force, which is this one, is equals to Newton per meter square. Or you write it together. Remember how are we going to write it? Or you just write AG mx minus 2. Then put our part. Is it not? M square. Have you seen it? So have you seen how simple it is? Very, very simple. Have you seen it? So if you miss anyone, you can go back. If you miss anyone, you can go back and redo it. With this, I believe you can do it on your own. So simple. Very, very simple by God's grace. Very simple. I believe you can do it very well. To see how simple it is, just write the basic ones, and for me to get others, follow this and just apply those rules we needed. Thank you for watching.